That's the worst. Oh, both shoes. Damn.
All right, we're back. Another day, another dollar. It'll be 2 weeks in a row with doing some type of landscape or water feature. And right now, this should be a quick one. Should be done in the next couple hours. Simple pondless waterfall with a couple bowls coming out, spilling into each other, and it should look good. It's going right here. Just cut out this bush. It's in the trailer already. But gonna take out these 2 rose bushes, this kind of spruce thing right here, and then start digging to put a water vault. Got our aqua blocks, which are our backfill around with the dirt that we excavate, firm it up. I think I got something wrong. Throw some rocks on top and run the plumbing and call it a day. So yeah, should look good. Should go together real fast, and I'll try to record as much as I possibly can. I usually miss all the good stuff, but try not to do that this time. So let's go. Alright, got that big plant out. All that stuff over here. Actually, got most of the plants out, except for this big root right here, of this dead arborvitae. But got a good base going for the sump, or the water vault. Got to go another like 6 inches, tamp it, and then throw in the liner. And stuff should really be moving. And he stopped working. I don't know why. What are you doing? Okay, alright, let's go. This side through, because this is the side that's going to have the PVC coming out to the top. Screw that in until the gas gets pushed up against it. This is pretty much watertight because there's no back pressure other than the fucking, other than the actual water that's going to be in the bucket. And that's all squished down. Then we go on this side, put another one right here. Take our fitting that's going to go on the hose. Same thing. Tighten that down, and that's probably more waterproof than the actual liner, so we're good. So these smaller buckets, which are going to kind of trickle down from the bigger one, they already have holes in them, unfortunately, and we don't want water to come out, so we do the same thing as we did with that, drill it out a bit. We're just going to plug these up using the rubber washer. Right. Plug these up, do the same thing. Alright, well, all I gotta say is I did try. I tried to record as much as I could, but it's just so small and it goes so quick, and especially when I'm working by myself, it takes 3 times as long to actually record it and, you know, build the water feature. But yeah, I mean, it's looking pretty sweet. It needs a little bit more mulch and to be adjusted a bit for the actual like grooves where it spills out, but as well as plants in the back. It really needs a backdrop. It's a completely flat area and then this berm, so it definitely needs some type of greenery in the back. But other than that, I mean, it's looking pretty sweet, considering it took 3.5, 4 hours start to finish. I couldn't be happier. And yeah, another water feature done. Also, I took some of these extra aquatic plants from my pond. They grow like weeds, so took some over, planted them in there, and they'll spread in there. They'll look great. But yeah, on to the next. Oh my god, my hands are dirty.